Uh-oh. Pussy shit. Pussy shit. Caesar, get out of there. Grab him. Hey. Get him out of there. He's your fight buddy.
Oh, we're doing wrestling too? Okay. Mounted him. Roll out of it.
It's boxing slash wrestling. Al's getting it too. Go with the hand.
All right, stand it up. Stand it
All right,
up.
let's stand it up now. All right, let's get off.
All right,
Get off.
fuck
Let's
that.
stand it up.
Hey,
Hey, stand it up.
Fuck that, we ain't standing up.
All right. You guys got it. Ground and pound.
Ground and pound. Get in that full mount. Gotta get that head loose. Gotta get that head loose. But Aaron's got it. Aaron's got it. Up.
This is gonna be a great video. Sorta. Ooh, good turn.
Up. Getting some up. Up.
There you go.
Goes on top.
There you go.
Elbows,
Elbows,
And
baby.
he's got the pound. Uh-oh.
Good block.
Aaron's
Good
got it.
block.
Controlling
Good
now.
block. Good block.
He's blocking. Up.
Good elbow. There you go.
Don't mind the
We're
dog.
at 1 minute, 33
Oh, Aaron's
seconds.
got him top. He's swinging like Muhammad Ali. Oh, shit.
Oh, that one connected.
Connected.
Watch out, Joe. Watch
Look
out.
at that trash can. Up. Oh!
Oh, back of the head. No back of the
Block,
head.
Joe. Block. Block. All right, so
Hey, breathe,
All right,
brother,
baby
breathe.
boy.
Breathe.
You almost got your face.
Caesar almost bit your fucking head